Have you ever wondered how the world's most iconic drink is made? From its crisp taste to its bubbly fizz, this beverage has captivated millions around the globe for over a century. But what really goes into making the perfect bottle of Coca-Cola? Today we're going to take a deep dive into the intricate process behind Coca-Cola's production, from its secret blend of flavors to the final bottle that ends up in your hands. At the heart of Coca-Cola's success is its secret recipe, a carefully guarded formula known by only a few individuals. But while the exact recipe remains locked away, we do know the main ingredients that make up the signature flavor. The primary sweetener in Coca-Cola is high fructose corn syrup, HFCS. This syrup is made from cornstarch and plays a critical role in providing the sweetness that's instantly recognizable when you take a sip of Coke. HFCS is sweeter and more cost-effective than regular sugar, making it ideal for mass production. Coca-Cola's iconic dark brown color is achieved using caramel color, a food coloring agent created by heating sugar until it caramelizes. This rich hue not only gives Coca-Cola its signature appearance, but also contributes to its overall flavor profile. One of the reasons Coca-Cola offers that familiar boost of energy is due to the addition of caffeine. Known for its stimulating effects, caffeine adds a slight bitterness to balance the sweetness of the drink, making it one of the key ingredients in Coca-Cola. Phosphoric acid is used in Coca-Cola to add a sharp, tangy taste that enhances the sweetness of the HFCS. It also helps maintain the drink's acidity, giving it that refreshing bite Coke drinkers love. While the precise blend of Coca-Cola's natural flavors is a tightly kept secret, we do know that it includes a mix of citrus, vanilla, and cinnamon notes. This combination is what gives Coca-Cola its unique and distinctive taste that no other soda can replicate. Once the key ingredients are sourced, it's time to mix them into what is known as the Coca-Cola syrup. This step is critical, as it's the foundation of the drink's flavor. The ingredients are mixed in precise proportions to ensure consistency and taste. The high fructose corn syrup, caramel color, caffeine, phosphoric acid, and natural flavors are combined to create a thick syrup. This syrup is the essence of Coca-Cola's flavor, and the process of blending these ingredients is closely monitored to ensure that every batch is identical. The syrup is then transferred to large mixing tanks, where it's thoroughly blended with water. This step is important because it dilutes the syrup to the perfect concentration, ensuring that it's not too strong or too weak. The mixing tanks are equipped with mechanical stirrers to ensure that the syrup and water are blended evenly, creating the final base for Coca-Cola. One of the most distinctive characteristics of Coca-Cola is its effervescence, the bubbly fizz that tickles your nose when you take a sip. This is achieved through the process of carbonation. Carbon dioxide, CO2, is added to the syrup mixture during this stage, creating the carbonation that gives Coca-Cola its sparkle. The carbonation process involves dissolving CO2 into the liquid under high pressure. This careful balance of pressure ensures that the CO2 is absorbed into the liquid, creating those characteristic bubbles when the pressure is released, like when you open a bottle or can. Different regions of the world may have varying preferences for the level of carbonation in their sodas. Therefore, Coca-Cola's carbonation process is precisely controlled to meet local tastes, ensuring that each bottle has the perfect amount of fizz. After the syrup has been mixed with water and carbonated, it's time to move on to bottling. This step is highly automated and involves multiple stages to ensure that the Coca-Cola is safely and efficiently packaged. Before the Coca-Cola mixture can be poured into bottles, the bottles must be cleaned and sanitized to ensure they are free from any contaminants. This is done using a combination of rinsing with water and sterilization processes. Once the bottles are clean, they are moved to the filling stations, where the carbonated Coca-Cola mixture is dispensed into each bottle. The filling machines are calibrated to ensure that each bottle is filled to the correct level, leaving just enough space for the carbonation to remain stable. Immediately after filling, the bottles are capped to seal in the carbonation. The caps are tightly secured to prevent any gas from escaping, which would cause the drink to go flat. The sealing process is carefully monitored to ensure that each bottle is airtight. Once capped, The bottles are labeled with Coca-Cola's distinctive red and white branding. After labeling, they are grouped together, packed into boxes, and prepared for distribution. Every step of the bottling process is highly automated, allowing for the rapid production of thousands of bottles every hour. Coca-Cola is committed to ensuring that every bottle produced meets its high standards of quality. This is where quality control comes into play. Throughout the production process, samples of the Coca-Cola mixture are taken and tested to ensure that the flavor, carbonation level, and appearance are consistent with the brand standards. The company uses sophisticated equipment to analyze the mixture and make adjustments if necessary. In addition to flavor testing, Coca-Cola bottles are subjected to pressure test to ensure that they can withstand the internal pressure caused by carbonation. Bottles that fail the test are discarded, as they could explode or leak under pressure. The cleanliness of the production facilities is also closely monitored. Employees wear protective clothing, including gloves, masks, and hairnets to prevent contamination. Production areas are kept clean, and all equipment is regularly sterilized. Once the Coca-Cola bottles pass quality control, they are ready to be distributed to retailers around the world. Coca-Cola's global distribution network is one of the most efficient in the world, ensuring that the product is available in nearly every corner of the globe. After the bottles are packed into crates, they are loaded onto trucks for distribution. Depending on the region, Coca-Cola is shipped to stores, restaurants, and vending machines in a variety of packaging options, including bottles, cans, and fountain drink dispensers. Coca-Cola's production process takes place in factories spread across the globe, allowing the company to meet the demands of local markets while maintaining a consistent brand image. Despite slight regional adjustments to cater to local taste preferences, the fundamental ingredients of Coca-Cola remain the same everywhere. This meticulous adherence to core ingredients, such as the iconic caramel color, high fructose corn syrup, caffeine, phosphoric acid, and the closely guarded natural flavors, ensures that Coca-Cola tastes familiar whether you're enjoying it in North America, Europe, or Asia. The blending, carbonation, and bottling processes are rigorously controlled to meet global standards, delivering the same quality and flavor regardless of location. Coca-Cola's vast network of production facilities is a testament to its global reach. But the company doesn't stop at just making a product available. It also employs effective marketing strategies to create a powerful emotional connection with its consumers. One notable campaign was the Share a Coke initiative, where bottles were personalized with individual names, encouraging consumers to purchase and share the product with friends. This campaign generated significant social media buzz and reinforced the brand's image of togetherness and happiness. From the secret blend of ingredients to the complex bottling process, every step in the production of Coca-Cola is carefully orchestrated to ensure that each bottle delivers the same refreshing taste that has made it a global favorite for over a century. By mastering the art of blending flavors, carbonation, and stringent quality control, Coca-Cola has cemented its place as the world's most popular soft drink. So the next time you enjoy a sip of Coca-Cola, remember the fascinating journey it took to get from the factory to your hand. Did you know that over 1.9 billion servings of Coca-Cola products are consumed every single day across the globe? That's roughly 1/4 of the world's population enjoying a Coca-Cola product daily. To put that in perspective, you could fill about 2,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools with Coke every day just to meet global demand. That's the scale of Coca-Cola's worldwide reach. If you found this deep dive into Coca-Cola's production process interesting, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more behind-the-scenes looks into the world's favorite products. And don't forget to like and share this video. Until next time.